Okay, so since I showed you guys or told you about Be Funky, I thought I would just hurry and do one. So the one thing I don't love about Be Funky is that everything I've put in just kind of stays. And maybe that's because I have the pro one. I don't know. But I think it's just if you have your account. So I've got all my stuff from Oregon, like all of my film scouts in here, and then I just drew them in when I wanted them. So that's kind of annoying, but at least it puts them in order. So I'm just gonna grab, oops, now they're all, I'm trying to remember where I put them all. I'm gonna grab, because I did not do my black and white ones, but I know I have them in here. I have, this is like all online stuff. Out of control. Okay, Oregon 2019, black and white. There we go. So then I just grab them all because it doesn't take too long and put them in. So see, it just like throws them all in here, and then I don't have to use all of these. But I will take my favorites. So there they are. Then I just go to layouts, collage wizard, and then I choose which ones I want to use. Like, I like this one. I like this one. This one's kind of fun. Love this one. It's that one. Fave. So fun right there. This one's fun. Oh, I liked, no, I can't decide. We'll use this one. And this one. Okay, so we'll just use those. All right, so they look kind of crazy in here right now, but you can just kind of cycle through some options. And right now they don't have any space between them, but I'm going to put that in later. So see, there are really wide ones if you like that, but some of them are like these tiny little tiny pictures, and that kind of bugs me. So I always go through until I find one that aren't so tiny, that make things about the same size. Like this is one of my favorite pictures, and it's teensy tiny. And sometimes I also just play with how many pictures are in it. Let's do this long skinny one. That looks fine. So I'm going to select this collage. Then I'm going to come over to the customize and just put in a little spacing. You know, you can make a lot of spacing if you want. And then I'm going to start doing some stuff like trading those places. And also trading these places. And I like this one way better, so we're going to put that one there. And then we're going to call that good. This one's also huge compared. Let's do that. I like this picture because it's a repeat of one that I've used before. So, and actually I'd rather have this be there. All right, so last change, this one, because those looked a little too, actually, there, those, I didn't like those leafy ones together. So that's it. Then I just, uh-oh, my battery's about to die. Save onto my computer, and I call this black and white Oregon. I don't need to make it very big. And then I save it. And that's it. Done. And it's ready to share. The end.